Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the chemistry behind the dreams. You all are wondering what can be the chemistry behind the dreams. So let's get started. Auguste Kekulé was a scientist. He was trying hard to figure out the structure of benzene, but he was not successful in this. He finally quit it. But one fine night, when he was sleeping, he dreamt of a snake biting its own tail. After this, he realized that the structure of benzene can be closed. Actually, till that point of time, only straight chain compounds were discovered. So, the discovery of ring-shaped aromatic compound is a remarkable and a huge achievement. It brought new heights to organic chemistry, and the discovery of benzene helped in the discovery of other new medicinally important drugs and compounds. So, similarly, the Einstein theory of relativity was also known to be related to the dreams. So, we have seen the role of dreams. Now we will see the chemistry behind it. Particularly, the biochemistry has a role to play. There are hormones which play their role. There are three phases of the sleeping cycle. The first 20 minutes is the light sleep. After 20 minutes is the deep sleep. During it, the temperature of the body goes down and the muscles relax. After 90 minutes is the rapid eye movement sleep, where the most of the dreaming occurs. During the rapid eye movement sleep, the blood pressure increases and the muscle tone lowers. The body is relaxed, but the mind is very active, that it is virtually indistinguishable between a dreaming state and the waking state. The hormone called as acetylcholine, which is chemically ester of acetic acid and choline, is one of the main neurotransmitters, play an important role in this. Do you know what happens when the amount of acetylcholine decreases? There would be a disease called as Alzheimer's disease, which is a cognitive impairment. In this disease, there is a loss of memory, and the person is unable to retain even small information. A similar experiment was done on rats where they were injected with acetylcholine inhibitor, and the rapid eye movement decreases because there is a relation between acetylcholine and rapid eye movement. As the amount of acetylcholine decreases, the rapid eye movement decreases, and most of the dreaming happens during the rapid eye movement, so the dreaming frequency decreases. Another hormone is melatonin. It is hormone of night. It is released by the pineal gland. So the amount of melatonin released during the rapid eye movement is very high. And the third hormone is the oxytocin, which is the hormone of emotion. So when you see your loved ones, the people to whom you are emotionally bonded in dreams, it is because of this hormone. You might also have heard that the production of oxytocin by the industries are banned by the Supreme Court. This is because oxytocin can be used to increase the production of milk. It can be used to increase the production of vegetables. That means that if the vegetables are grown naturally, they won't grow so fast as they will be grown if they would be injected by oxytocin. Now the restriction had been removed. So these are all the hormones which are responsible for the dreaming. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more such informative videos in the future, subscribe to my channel.